Hi, I'm Greg with the Ashcraft firm, and we do estate planning here, and I've been talking to you over the last week or so about adoption and how that affects your estate plan, because November is National Adoption Month. So I've been talking to you a bit about that, and so typically the law treats adopted children the same as biological children. So that's something to keep in mind, and I go over that in more detail in other vlogs that I've posted here. So if you're interested, there's a bunch here that you can look through. But today I wanted to talk to you about the effects of step-parent adoption. And so if you've got a custodial biological parent that's raising a child, and you've got a step-parent who would like to adopt the child, in lots of states when that adoption goes through, that will cut off all of the legal ties to the non-custodial biological parent. So that can really affect estate planning. So if that non-custodial biological parent wants to provide for that child, they're going to have to actually do it specifically. They're going to have to write them in by name, because otherwise the law typically in most states are going to cut off the rights to that for that child, to any inheritance they would have gotten from the non-custodial biological parent. So that is something, if you are doing that adoption, you need to talk to that non-custodial parent about that, just so that they understand what the ramifications of that are. Now, there are some states that allow what they call second parent adoption, and this is mostly, it's available in 50 states to married couples, and then there are some where it's available to civil unions, same-sex couples, things like that. And so by using a second parent adoption under that state's law, the adopted child of the partner it will adopt that child without terminating the rights of the second parent. So that way you can, both parents can be parents. So it doesn't cut off the rights of the other parent if that second parent adopts them. So that's what they call a second parent adoption. It makes sense. That's why they call it second parent adoption. But it's important, if something like that is taking place with same-sex couples or things like that, that non-custodial parent does know that their rights might be cut off. So that's something that you want to plan for in your estate plan. I'm Greg with the Ashcraft firm, and we do estate planning here. Thank you so much.